Hashir, I hope you're well. I'm a psychologist and I help patients with tinnitus, misophonia and hyperacusis using psychological interventions. My question to you is, how can your workshop help me? Thank you.
Hi Lauren, thank you very much for your question. Yes, this workshop is designed for qualified healthcare professionals such as audiologists and psychologists who are interested in extending their scope of practice in supporting patients who have tinnitus, hyperacusis and misophonia. And the key topic in this workshop is a specialized methodology for cognitive behavioral therapy, which focuses on addressing the distress caused by tinnitus or the trigger sounds in the case of hyperacusis and misophonia. And there will be a lot of assessment methods that you can utilize in your day-to-day clinics to screen for symptoms of tinnitus, hyperacusis and misophonia, screen for the psychological problems, and also to quantify the severity of the impact of these conditions on the patient's life.